calculate the mass in grams of a sulfur dioxide molecule. Okay, well, atoms and molecules are really, really, really tiny, so this is going to be very, very, very small. And so this sounds like a really difficult question because the numbers are so, the particles are so small. Mass is really quite straightforward, and if we really understand Avogadro constant, you'll get that. Having said that, it's not easy to understand, so it's actually quite a difficult question. Basically, Avogadro worked out that if you have that number of particles, what was a formula mass is turned into a mass in grams. So we need 6.02, 6 with 23 zeros after it, particles, to turn that formula mass into 64 grams. So that many particles weigh 64 grams. So if we take that number, if we take that number 64 and divide it by that number of particles, it'll tell us the mass of one particle, because that many particles have a mass of 64. So that's as simple as this question is. And it's going to be a very, very, very small answer. This is a massive fraction if you think about it. 64 with 6 with 23 zeros after it is going to be tiny. So 64 divided by 6.02. Now when we're entering the Avogadro constant, remember that is not a multiply. That is not a multiply, that's the times 10 to the x button there. And then 23. And that gives us this answer here, 1.063 times 10 to the minus 22. 1.063 times 10 to the minus 22, minus a very small number. And this, of course, is a mass in grams, so we need a unit. All these questions on ayleshamhighchemistry.com.